We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, welcome to our session Design Center. Design Center is one of the most important thing in AutoCAD to share design elements both within your own drawings as well as between colleagues and external consultants. First we will see how can we utilize the default blocks and other drawing elements prepared by Autodesk into our current drawing. Command for Design Center is DC, or it can be found in Palettes ribbon under View tab. This is the icon for Design Center. Once you take Design Center, you can find a new floating window on your application. In it, you can see three tabs: Folders, Open Drawings, History. Folders are to select the desired design elements you have saved in your computer or anyone in your network. Let us see some of default things prepared in AutoCAD. Those blocks can be found in C drive, Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD 2021, we are using 2021, Samples, ENUS, Design Center. There you can see some drawing files, and while you click on it, you can find different design elements like blocks, detail views, styles, layers, etc., which you can take into your drawing. While using insert command, you cannot import the styles but only the blocks from other drawings. So this can be rectified using Design Center, where you can insert all your dimension styles, table styles, etc. from other drawings to your drawing. So let us insert one block into my drawing. You can either double click on it or you can drag and drop onto your drawing. Next, you can select your own other drawings, import blocks and styles into your current drawing. You can simply show the folder in the folder tree and can select the required blocks or styles into place into your current drawing. So now I am using this drawing blocks. Okay, you can make use of open option on the top left of the dialog box to show the required drawings to select your drawing elements. Open drawings shows the design elements in the drawings which is currently open. I have opened here two drawings. So the same drawing names can be seen in open drawings option, and this will help you to navigate the elements between the opened drawings. The tab history will show what are all the drawings you have used to import design elements. So I have used this much drawings and opened this much drawings to insert design elements into my current drawing. This is for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.